The ELLIPAL Assets List is simply the comprehensive inventory of all cryptocurrencies and tokens that your ELLIPAL hardware wallet currently supports. Think of it as the menu for what your wallet can safely secure. When you're managing your digital wealth, knowing exactly what assets are supported is the first and most crucial step. It determines which coins you can send, receive, and store with the highest level of security. So, how does ELLIPAL maintain this list? It's all about integration. For ELLIPAL to support a specific coin, say Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a less common altcoin, it must first integrate that coin's unique blockchain technology into its cold storage system. This process is rigorous and involves extensive security testing. It ensures that the wallet's secure element can properly generate and manage the private keys for those specific assets, keeping them offline and out of reach from hackers. The list itself is dynamic and constantly growing. ELLIPAL's team regularly adds new assets based on market demand, technological compatibility, and community requests. This commitment to expansion is what allows users to diversify their portfolio without sacrificing security. If you're invested in the latest DeFi tokens or popular NFT platforms, you'll need to check the official list to confirm your specific token security is guaranteed. The range of supported assets typically spans major blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, and Cardano, among many others. Now, why does this list matter to you? Firstly, it's about peace of mind. Using a supported asset means your funds are protected by the air-gapped security of the ELLIPAL Titan. Secondly, it's about functionality. Only supported assets can be managed directly through the ELLIPAL app, allowing for smooth transactions and portfolio tracking. Before you buy any new crypto, check the list. If it's on there, you're good to go. To easily check the complete and most up-to-date ELLIPAL Assets List, always refer to the official ELLIPAL website. They have a dedicated page that's updated in real time. Keep your firmware updated, check that list, and you'll ensure your entire digital portfolio is secured with the Titan's cold storage protection. Stay safe out there.